Here we go, Mako. Really looking forward to this one. What about you, mate?
I'm also looking forward to this one. It looks very high.
It does look very high. What about you, Dad?
Oh yeah, I'm really into coasters now since I've been coming to America. And I always like to go on some of the biggest coasters.
Here we go.
I think they're really good. Yeah, they're really enjoyable.
He's saying that with his eyes closed, everyone. He's saying that with his eyes shut. Oh, we're at the top! We're at the top! Here we go! Oh! Hey! Woo! Airtime!
Oh my god!
Airtime! Airtime! And again! Airtime! Woo! Here we go, over the lake. Ooh, really good that one.
Really enjoyed it myself, actually. A lot of airtime hills.
There was a lot of airtime hills. I like a bit of that.